Grandma, we are here.
My sweet little girl,
We came to visit you today.
I am so happy to see you both. I made your favorite cookies.
Wow, thank you, Grandma.
The house smells wonderful.
Grandma, tell me a story.
When I was little, I loved climbing mango trees.
That sounds fun.
Grandma has many beautiful stories. This is my little garden.
Wow, the flowers are beautiful.
Grandma grows many healthy vegetables. Look at these lovely flowers and vegetables, my dear.
Wow, Grandma, can I pick one?
Of course, dear, be gentle.
I will. Grandma, look at the birds.
Yes, sweetie, they come here every morning.
The yellow bird is so pretty.
Birds love peaceful gardens. The birds are singing beautifully today. The birds are hungry.
Can I feed them?
Yes, sweetie, be gentle.
Look, the birds are eating.
This is such a lovely moment.
Grandpa, I missed you.
I missed you too, my little princess.
Do you sit in the garden every day?
Yes, I like listening to the birds.
The garden feels so peaceful in the evening. We all sit together here every evening. Family time is very special.
Dad and brother are here.
Grandma, I missed your garden. I missed you too, my dear boy.
Our family is complete now.
Let's all Grandma snacks too.
Yes, on Grandma snacks too.
It is time to go home.
I don't want to leave yet. We will miss you.
You can visit us again soon.
See you again very soon.
Take care and travel safely.
Bye, Grandpa. Bye, Grandma.